Welcome to e-commerce success, your guide to making money online. In this video, we will provide you with essential insights and strategies to help you navigate the exciting world of e-commerce and maximize your earning potential. To make money in e-commerce, there are several key steps and strategies you can follow. Here's a general guide to help you get started. Identify a profitable niche. Looking for emerging trends, popular products, and evolving consumer interests. Stay updated on industry news, social media trends, and online forums to identify niche opportunities. Analyze competition. Evaluate the level of competition within your chosen niche. If it's too saturated, it might be challenging to establish a unique selling proposition. Look for niches with moderate competition or find a specific angle to differentiate yourself. Assess market demand. Conduct thorough market research to determine if there is sufficient demand for products within your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and social media listening to gauge consumer interest. Target a specific audience. Identify a target audience within your chosen niche. Understanding their demographics, interests, and pain points will help you tailor your products, marketing messages, and customer experience to meet their needs effectively. Consider profit margins. Evaluate the potential profit margins within your chosen niche. Calculate the cost of sourcing or manufacturing products, packaging, shipping, and marketing expenses. Ensure your pricing allows for a healthy profit margin while remaining competitive. Conduct market research. When conducting market research for your e-commerce business, here are some key steps to follow. Define your target market. Clearly define the characteristics of your ideal customer. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, interests, behaviors, and purchasing power. This will help you understand who your products or services are intended for. Utilize online tools and resources. Take advantage of various online tools and resources to gather valuable insights. Google Trends can show you search volume and trends related to specific keywords or product categories. Social media platforms provide valuable data on user demographics, interests, and engagement patterns. Analyze competitors. Identify your direct and indirect competitors within your chosen niche. Visit their websites, social media profiles, and online stores to understand their product offerings, pricing strategies, marketing tactics, and customer engagement. This analysis can help you identify gaps or opportunities in the market. Customer surveys and interviews. Engage with potential customers through surveys or interviews to gather first-hand feedback. Ask questions about their preferences, pain points, and buying behaviors. This information can help you refine your product offerings, marketing messages, and overall customer experience. Choose a business model. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory storage and product fulfillment. You list their products on your online store and only purchase items when a customer places an order. This model reduces upfront costs, as you don't need to invest in inventory, but profit margins may be lower due to higher product costs. Private labeling. Private labeling involves finding manufacturers who produce generic products and branding them under your own label. This model allows for greater control over branding, product quality, and customer experience. You'll need to invest in product development, packaging, and inventory management. Wholesaling. Wholesaling involves purchasing products in bulk from manufacturers or distributors at a discounted price. You then resell those products to retailers or customers at a markup. This model requires more significant upfront investment in inventory and storage space. Manufacturing. If you have the resources and expertise, manufacturing your own products can offer high profit margins and greater control over the production process. This model involves creating products from scratch or assembling components to produce unique offerings. It requires substantial investment in production facilities, equipment, and supply chain management. Subscription box. Subscription box businesses offer curated products or services that customers receive on a recurring basis. Customers subscribe to a monthly, quarterly, or annual plan and receive a package with new items each time. This model can provide consistent revenue and build customer loyalty, but it requires careful product curation and logistics management. Set up your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select a reliable e-commerce platform that suits your needs and technical expertise. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, built on WordPress, BigCommerce, and Magento. Evaluate the platform's features, ease of use, scalability, payment options, and customer support. Register a domain name. Choose a unique and memorable domain name that reflects your brand or niche. Register the domain through a reputable domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namekeep, or Google Domains. Design and customize your store. Customize the visual appearance of your online store to align with your brand identity. Select a professional theme or design template provided by your chosen e-commerce platform. Customize the colors, fonts, logo, and imagery to create a visually appealing and cohesive brand experience. product catalog and inventory management. Set up your product catalog by adding detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, pricing, and stock levels. Organize your products into relevant categories and subcategories for easy navigation. Implement an inventory management system to track stock levels and automate notifications for low inventory or out-of-stock items. Payment gateway integration. Integrate a secure and user-friendly payment gateway to process online transactions. Common payment gateway options include PayPal, Stripe, Square, and Authorize.net. Ensure the payment gateway supports the currencies and payment methods relevant to your target audience. Shipping and fulfillment. Set up shipping options and rates based on your product dimensions, weight, and destination. Choose shipping carriers that offer reliable services and competitive rates, such as USPS, UPS, FedEx, or DHL. Integrate shipping calculators to provide accurate shipping costs to customers during the checkout process. Implement security measures. Install an SSL certificate to ensure secure and encrypted transactions on your website. Display trust seals, privacy policies, and terms of service to build customer trust. Regularly update your e-commerce platform, plugins, and extensions to mitigate security vulnerabilities. Monitor and adapt. Regularly analyze your sales data, customer feedback, and market trends to make informed business decisions. Stay updated with industry news, technological advancements, and changes in consumer behavior to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching.